Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to cancel your Credit Karma debit card in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new card, simplifying your finances, or just need to close an unused account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and painlessly. Let's dive right in. First off, why cancel? Credit Karma's debit card is tied to their app, offering rewards and cash back, but if it's not serving you anymore, it's smart to cut ties to avoid any unnecessary fees or security risks. Remember, procedures might evolve, so always check the latest on their website. Step 1. Log into your Credit Karma account. Open the app or head to the website and enter your credentials. If you haven't logged in recently, verify your email or phone for security. Step 2. Navigate to the debit card section. Once you're in, look for the Accounts or Debit Card tab. It's usually front and center. This is where you'll manage your card details. Step 3. Find the cancellation option. Scroll down or search for Cancel Card or Close Account. Credit Karma makes this straightforward, but you might need to answer a few questions about why you're leaving. Think of it as feedback. Step 4. Review and confirm. Before you hit that final button, double-check for any outstanding balances or linked transactions. You'll want to ensure your account is settled to avoid complications. Step 5. Complete the process. After confirmation, you might receive an email verification or a confirmation code. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you run into issues, contact Credit Karma support through their chat or phone line. They're pretty responsive. A few quick tips. Always monitor your account for a week or two after cancellation to confirm no unauthorized charges slip through. Also, if you have rewards or cashback pending, withdraw them first. There you have it. That's how to cancel your Credit Karma debit card in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.